Okay.
Holland.
Holland. Belanda.
Belando. Orang Belanda.
Okay, see you. Okay. You can introduce yourself with me.
Yeah, okay. I'm coming from Holland. I'm living actually most of the time in India before, but now I'm coming to Malaysia and stay in Malacca for some time. Beauty, enjoy the city. Yeah, friendly people, nice to meet. Okay.
Yeah, you give me some message for tourists.
Message for the tourists. Okay, if you come to Malacca, there's nice things to see. Right? It's the river tour. You can walk on the river, the nice monument buildings. Up the hill is the old ruins of the church. Oh, there's so many nice things to see. Friday, Saturday, Sunday evening, there is a walking street night market. So this is interesting to see. Yeah, there is just enough to walk around and enjoy the beauty of the city. Okay.
And don't forget to happy.
Yeah, of course it makes you happy. Okay.
Holland.
Belanda.
Belando. Orang Belanda.
Okay, see you. Maybe
Okay.
we meet next time.
Yeah, next time.
I'm
Okay.
happy to go to the zoo.
Yeah.
Maybe I can sometime I'm coming here and we meet here.
Yeah. If I'm here, we can meet again. Okay. Yes.
Don't be heavy. What's your name?
My name is Jan.
Yeah, same as me. My name is Bang O.
Oh, Bango.
Bang O. Don't forget to happy.
Yeah.
I'm always say don't forget to happy.
Yeah, happy need.
Yeah.
Happy we share.
Okay.
So if happy that we can share, we give it to other people.
Okay,
And
right.
that's what we need.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
What's up?